Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. We will be diving into the top mobile app development trends of 2023. So whether you are a programmer or developer or just curious about what's happening in the world of mobile apps, you are in the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about what's shaping the world of mobile apps in 2023. It's a fascinating landscape, and if you are not up to speed, you might be missing out on some incredible opportunities. This year, we are seeing several exciting trends that are transforming the way we create and use mobile apps. Let's get started with the first trend, 5G powered apps. One of the most significant developments in 2023 is the rollout of 5G technology. It's not just about faster internet speeds, it's about the potential it unlocks for mobile apps. Low latency, enhanced streaming, AR/VR experience. With the low latency and faster data transfer, mobile apps can now offer seamless augmented reality and virtual reality experience, which is a game changer for industries like gaming and healthcare. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the forefront of mobile app development. Personalized recommendations, chatbots and virtual assistants, enhance security. AI and ML algorithms are making our apps smarter, allowing them to offer personalized content, chatbot-driven customer support, and improved security features. 3. Progressive web apps. Now let's talk about progressive web apps. Progressive web apps are blurring the line between web and mobile apps, offering cross-platform compatibility, faster loading times, and even working offline. Say goodbye to App Store downloads. 4. Internet of Things. Our next trend is all about connecting everything to the Internet of Things, from controlling your smart home devices to track your health and fitness. Mobile apps are becoming the central hub of managing Internet of Things device. It's like living in the future, right at your fingertips. 5. App security and privacy. With great power comes great responsibility, and that applies to app development too. Ensuring the security and privacy of user data is a priority in 2023. Apps are implementing enhanced data protection, user consent features, and biometric authentication for added security. These are some of the most exciting mobile app trends in 2023, from 5G powered experience to AI-driven apps. This tech world is evolving rapidly, and it's incredibly exciting to be part of it. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and mobile apps development, don't forget to like, share, and hit that follow button. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these trends, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on my page, and until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and embracing the future.